Let's face it, we've all had that moment. You're sweating bullets between meetings or mid-commute, and the best solution you've got is another layer of deodorant? Yeah, that's not cleaning. That's just politely ignoring the problem. But what if you could actually wash anywhere, anytime, and feel as fresh as you did stepping out of the shower? Introducing PitShower, a personal hygiene game changer. No sink, no splash, no shame. This isn't a wet wipe pretending to do a deep clean. PitShower delivers a concentrated water jet made for targeted pore-level refreshment. It's like a micro shower, right where you need it. Just add water, tap the one-touch control, and you're in business. Whether you're on the road, at your desk, or mid-hike, this thing is built for anywhere. It even comes with a built-in filtration system, so you're always cleaning with confidence. And yes, it's gentle, even for sensitive skin. Want to boost the freshness? Just add a mild rinse-free cleanser, and PitShower becomes your on-the-go spa moment. Customize your clean with 3 speed settings, depending on what your day, or your pits, call for. And don't worry about mess. The ergonomic design ensures no splash, no drips, and no awkward elbow acrobatics. It's all control, no chaos. The soft micro bristles handle the scrubbing with grace, while the LED mode indicator lets you know exactly what you're doing, because surprise sprays are never fun. Swapping out filters or brush sponges? Totally hassle-free. Just click, replace, done. And with up to 150 minutes of use on a single charge, this little powerhouse is ready for anything, whether it's freshening up between client calls or feeling human again after a long-haul flight. Stay clean anywhere, feel confident everywhere. Whether you're hiking a trail, hitting the subway, or heading to dinner straight from the gym, PitShower has your back. Or, well, your underarms. Don't just cover it. Wash it. PitShower. Follow us to join the community of innovators.